when installing synthetic roofing underlayment, you always gotta overlap the second layer where it says overlap line. That's where the other line has to meet, so it stays in a perfect line. So as you can see here, the second line of felt is overlapping the other one, so it stays on a straight line. As you can see, it says overlap line, so it's required for it to overlap the second one. layer of felt is finally being added. All the rest has been added, and all of them had to go over the overlap line. As you can see, here comes the last and final layer of felt. been added. So after this, the next step is to add the shingles. On top of the underlayment. We'll see. All the materials have now been brought up onto the roof. Right now, what they're gonna do is they're gonna open up the bags of shingles, and they're gonna start putting them on the decking. We'll show you that phase when it's done. So stick around. So as you can see, they're now installing the shingles. They're doing it one by one. It's crucial that each shingle has to have like around 4 to 6 nails each. Almost done. When it's done, we'll see you guys. So here we are. The shingle is now finally finished. It's all ready. Everything is done. The ridge vent also got done as well. Everything is clean. So if you want your roof to look like this, brand new, clean, awesome, you guys can give us a call at 240-704-5373, or you can schedule an appointment at jyd roofing.com. Anytime you can contact us. Thank you.